I know I should be dressing something else to be at the beach. But, oh well, I love the sun. So, I'll introduce this class from here anyway. Do you know how to use the simplest of the prepositions in English? I am talking about in, at and on. After this class, you'll realize how simple it is to use them. I'll call Daniel to take over from here. Because today, oh boy, it's my day off.
It's okay, leave it up to me. I hope you have a nice day at the beach, Sean. Students get completely puzzled by these three prepositions. However, now you'll learn they are no big deal at all. In is used to describe periods of the day, week, month, year, century, seasons, or the interior part of something or somewhere. The preposition at is used for places, specific time, and full address. The preposition on is used for specific dates or days, surfaces, technology, and streaming services. For beginners, this may seem a bit overwhelming, and it is. That's why you have to constantly practice. I'll help you out with a few examples in the upcoming scenes. So, are you ready? This family will celebrate Christmas in 3 weeks. They work out in the mornings. Children like to play outside in the afternoons after school. He comes up with new ideas in the evenings. I was born in November 1989. Tourists can take beautiful pictures in summer. This girl works at a clothes store. This boy has a doctor's appointment at 9 a.m. This market is at 850 Maryland Street, Neverland, Florida, United States. She goes to the farm on weekends. 3 men are working in this room, 2 of them on their laptops, and the man standing is doing business on the phone. So, that was it for today's crash course. Make sure to write down the sentences that we share with you and practice them when you get the chance. Till next time!